I've got an exciting tutorial for you on how to create your very own ebook using ChatGPT and turn it into a passive income stream by selling it on Amazon Kindle. If you've ever dreamt of being a published author or making money online, this is the perfect tutorial for you. Why creating an ebook can be a fantastic passive income idea. Ebooks are digital, meaning no printing costs, and with the power of ChatGPT, we can generate content efficiently. Plus, Amazon Kindle provides an excellent platform to reach a massive audience. Creating an ebook allows you to share your knowledge, experiences, or stories with the world while earning a passive income. The first step is to define your ebook topic. What are you passionate about? What expertise or knowledge can you share? Consider your target audience and what they might be interested in. The more specific and valuable your content, the more likely it is to attract readers. Let's say you're passionate about meditation and mindfulness. Ask yourself, what unique perspective can I bring to this topic? It could be your personal journey, specific meditation techniques, or tips for integrating mindfulness into a busy lifestyle. Once you've defined your topic, it's time to create an outline. For our meditation ebook, the outline might include chapters on different meditation techniques, the benefits of meditation, tips for beginners, and perhaps a section on mindfulness in daily life. We see that GPT Chat generated the entire table of contents for our ebook, including the title. We can check what other titles ChatGPT can offer us. We choose the one that interests us the most. Now we'll be using ChatGPT to generate content for our ebook. Let's start with intro. Write a command for ChatGPT to generate an introduction to your ebook. Suggest that the bot should expand the content of the introduction and add a short explanation of what meditation and mindfulness are. This way we already have an introduction to our ebook. Construct questions and commands so that they fit the topic of your book. Once we have the introduction, we can move on to Chapter 1. We construct the commands in the same way as in the case of the introduction. Let's see what topics should be included in the first chapter, and then enter the commands to make ChatGPT generate blocks of text with a given phrase. As you can see, ChatGPT prepares us perfectly suitable content for the topic being discussed. We can also ask the bot to slightly change the content of the topic being discussed. We generate the rest of the table of contents in exactly the same way. Let me quickly generate it myself and come back to you with the finished ebook to show you the final results. As you can see, the ebook is ready. You copy the text from GPT Chat to Microsoft Word or other similar text programs. Structure is key. Learn how to format your ebook and use headings to make it reader-friendly. This not only enhances the reading experience, but also makes your ebook look professional. Creating a visually appealing cover is crucial for attracting potential readers to your meditation ebook. Canva makes this process accessible, even for those without extensive design experience. If you don't have a Canva account, go to canva.com and sign up. Now it's time to choose your template for ebook. Explore Canva's template library by typing ebook cover in the search bar. Browse through the available templates and choose one that aligns with the mood of your meditation ebook. Click on Elements to edit them. Replace the template's images with your chosen visuals. Canva offers a variety of free and paid stock photos, or you can upload your own. Update the text with your ebook title, author name, and any additional text. If you don't want to use your real name, you can create a fake author name at fakenamegenerator.com. Select gender, ethnicity, and click the Generate button. Once satisfied with your design, click on the Download button. Choose a high-resolution format, PNG or PDF, for optimal quality. Congratulations! You've just created a captivating cover for your ebook using Canva. Remember, this cover is your ebook's first impression, so take the time to make it visually striking and reflective of the journey within your pages. Now, it's time to setting up your Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing account. Go to the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing website. Sign in with your Amazon account or create a new one. Access your KDP account dashboard. Click on Create a new Kindle ebook to start the publishing process. Fill in the required details, including the title, author, description, and keywords. Now upload your formatted ebook file and cover image. Choose your royalty option, 35% or 70%. Consider the pricing strategy that aligns with your goals. Set the list price for your ebook and select the territories where you want your ebook to be available. Click Publish your Kindle ebook when you're satisfied with the preview. Now it's time to wait for the publishing process to complete. And there you have it. Your ebook is now live on Amazon Kindle. First step to make passive income. Now it's time for your ebook to reach potential recipients. You can promote your book for free on thematic groups, for example on Facebook. You can also outsource this task to professionals. A good website to promote such things is fiverr.com. You can easily find freelancers here who will take care of the promotion for you. Remember, passive income takes effort up front, but the rewards can be long-lasting. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see in future videos. See you in the next video.